Ideas. So, the art of generating ideas. And I've read the books like, Still Like an Artist. I do love that book, by the way. And really, for somebody to say 2,000 or 3,000 years ago, there's nothing new under the sun, like it says in the Bible, there's nothing new under the sun. Maybe 4,000 years ago, depends on when that book was written. It was from the Old Testament. But the point being is that everything is basically combining things that already exist to make new things. It's true. I mean, maybe the wheel was original. Fire, that was probably original. I don't know where I'm going with this. I'm taking the long way around whatever place I'm going here mentally. The car's going really, really fast. Okay, probably could have made it, but I want to live another day. Alright, let's go, man. Make it so. Alright. So, one day I got stopped here because I went to the right lane. So I'm coming out of a red light. There's a left and a right lane. And I went right on the light into the right lane. And I got pulled over for it. I got just a warning. So now I don't do it. Even though I see cop cars and I see people do it, I don't now. Because I got pulled over and I got a warning. So it's kind of weird, my process of kind of ideas for content creation. Like, I like to do kind of variations on a theme. And here's a tip. You go find the creators that have made videos that you like, and you find a topic that you are familiar with, that you know about, and then you make your own version of it. It's not the same as copying, because you're not going to take their stuff word for word. You're going to make it new. You're going to make it yours. And that is a great way to come up with ideas. You go watch somebody else's channel. Now, somebody else said another great way to come up with ideas is to see what people ask on Quora about a specific topic. I've tried that. I haven't had any real success, but there's people who swear by it. And then another way to get great content creation ideas is Reddit. There's so much that's not cool on Reddit for me. It's just not my cup of tea, that's all. And so I don't spend a lot of time on Reddit, even though I know there's a lot of good information on Reddit. And used to be Twitter. But now, X is not the happy, fun place it once was. I'm going to Chick-fil-A tonight. Chick-fil-A. Restaurants, they will vary up their menu. They'll put something on that draws you in. Hey, we're going to put jalapenos and pimento cheese on a chicken sandwich to get you to come eat with us. And you'll go because it's new. We always strive for new things. And I really wish there was some magic I could come up with, where I could come up with something unique that nobody's ever done. And it's all instead variations on the theme. Just thinking about how I go about my creation process and how I come up with my ideas. And so somebody's asked me, how do you come up with ideas? I'm like, I just think through stuff that I'm interested in, that I think would be a benefit to my audience. I do try very hard to make stuff that my audience would want to see. The challenge is sometimes I don't have enough feedback from the audience to know what they like. Like, for example, I'm getting a lot of people saying, wow, I love this vlogging series. I'm like, well, does this make sense long term though? I don't have enough people saying, hey Roy, your vlogs are amazing. And at the same time, I want to make sure I cover content creation ideas so that people will, enjoy that kind of stuff. Because I want to teach. That's what I'm at. I want to teach people things. And, something I've learned, hey, this makes a total sense to me. Yeah. Okay. It's nighttime here. It gets dark really early then. It does. I'm at Chick-fil-A. For supper. Hey, if you're getting a kick out of my vlog, leave me a comment in the comment and let me know. But even more important, if you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe.